Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how you can create your own music and songs using 4 different AI tools. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you that even if you don't have any prior knowledge about music, you can still create your own original pieces. Your music and songs can be used for content creation or even sold, but it's important to carefully read and follow the rules of each AI software. So without further ado, let's get started. Voicemod AI. Voicemod is a free AI tool for audio and music editing. To start creating your song using Voicemod, go to the Text to Song page and click the Create Content button. Click the Create a Song button to continue. Currently, Voicemod only allows you to create your song using their pre-made music templates. Choose your desired music template and click Next. Select your singer and click Next. Now type in your song lyrics, or you can use ChatGPT to help you create new song lyrics. After everything is set, click the Create Song button to start the song generation process. Unfortunately, I won't be able to showcase the entire song and music as it is pre-made, and I want to avoid any potential copyright issues in the future.
The love we share, the way we care, my heart beats for you. It's true, you're my everything, my heart's in the ring. I'll always love you, that's what I'll do.
Beatbot AI. Beatbot is a new AI music and song generator that is currently in beta version and free to use. To create your song, you just need to describe what your song is about, the song mood, and the music genre. Type in the prompt input and click the Generate button to start creating your song. You can change the song lyrics by clicking the Edit button and click Save after you have done editing. After everything is okay, you can download the full video, audio, or just its instrumental music only. Mubert AI. To create music using Mubert AI, you can type in your custom prompt about your music, or you can use their pre-made genres, moods, and activities. After everything is set, click the Generate Track button to start the music generation process. Boomy AI. To start creating music using Boomy AI, you need to create an account. After that, click the Create Your Song button to start creating your music. First, select your music style, and you can also play sample music for each style before continuing. Click Create Song to start generating your music. If you don't like the result, you can click Try Again to generate another one. After you have found the best one, click the Save button to save your music. Now you can add your own vocal by directly recording your voice, or you can also upload your voice. Boomy has 2 types of vocal generation. If you are not good at singing, you can use auto vocal mode, so the AI will help you with vocal generation. But if you are good at singing, you can use custom vocal mode. If you don't like the auto vocal results, you can click Reject Auto Vocal, so the AI will create another one for you. After everything is okay, click the Save button to save your song. You can also give your song a name, artist, and genre. You can download your song by clicking the email button, and they will send you the download link. Read the terms of use carefully before using your AI song. If you happen to know of any other tools for AI song creation, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to show your support. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Goodbye.